welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today I have a pin haul. This would be two parts. I got a mystery box from my friend Joey over from Taste Like Disney. So kind to send me something. I have no idea what's in it. I'm guessing pins, but I have no idea what they are or anything that's in here. But yeah, I wanted to open it for y'all so we can see what Joey sent us. And then I also have some pins that I haven't shown you from thrifted pins or pins that I traded at Disneyland, but I will do that in the second half of the video. I cannot wait to see what Joey sent. Joey is from Taste Like Disney, and I will link their channel below, or his channel below. I say there because he has a very sassy producer called Sophie. Sophie is the cutest dog you have ever seen. Unless you have your own dog, then that's probably the cutest dog you've ever seen. But for me, I don't have my own dog, so she's the cutest dog I've ever seen. She is so cute and so sassy because she's a producer, so she's constantly putting little comments on his videos that are so funny. And his videos, if you're wondering, there are a lot of mystery pins. Those are my favorite to see because his luck is beyond amazing. I don't know how he gets so lucky. You should go check out his videos. He does a lot of mystery pin videos, and he calls it like he wants this one, this one, and this one, and that's exactly what he gets. And then he doesn't get duplicates. I don't know what kind of life that is. I want to have a little bit of that luck. But he says it's all Sophie, so hopefully Sophie will send me some of her luck in this box. I would love that. So yeah, go check it out. He also does some videos about libations, like how to make Disney cocktails and Disney food, and he did Walt chili. That one I have saved because I don't remember recipes, but I can definitely go back to Joey's video and watch how he did it. So yeah, highly recommend you go check him out. Super funny pins. He goes to the parks. He does resort tours. I should put the scissors down. But yeah, but let's see what he gave us. All right, so I just opened it. I did cross out our address just to be safe. And yeah, oh, it has a card. Okay, let's start with the card first. So it says Backttalk. So cute. I like the Mickey Minnie. He really likes Walt. I know that. I had a set of Walt cards that I was like, I should have sent him one of each because I think he really would have liked all of them. But here is the card. Look at all the Mickeys. Adorable. Really, really cute. And then let's read it. Oh, you know which one my favorite is, this one. But Daisy, this one's a really good sticker of Daisy. Hey Shirley, I didn't have any pins that I thought you would like, so Sophie came up with the idea to send some blind box pins. Sophie! Yay! Her luck with not getting duplicates is uncanny. I agree. Let's see how it works on the West Coast. Your friend Joey and Sophie. And he also has Bouncy the Bunny and Maleficent and a bunch of other friends in his videos. I am so excited because I do awful in mystery pins. Awful mystery blind bags. I went to Shanghai and I had mystery like toys. I did awful with them. So hopefully Sophie's sending me her luck. Wow! How many did you send me? We have 3, 4, 5, 6. And then they're really nicely packaged. I'm really excited about this. Okay, let's just get started because this video is already going to be super long. So the first one is, it looks like a castle blind box. It's a Disney Princess castle, and I am gonna say which ones I want because that way I have Sophie's luck. So let's do that. I kind of want this one. It looks like Shanghai Disney. That's why. I like Mulan. I like Tiana. Yeah, I think any of those 3, but honestly I would be happy with any of these. I probably should have kept the scissors because I am not good at opening these. Let's put that there. Oh, they have flaps. Okay. What do we think we got? Ooh. Let's see. What is it? Oh, Tiana's! Yay! That is gorgeous. Look how pretty this is. I can't wait for the Tiana ride at Disneyland. I saw construction of it already and I'm really excited about it. So pretty. It is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put it here for now. I probably should have recorded this the way Joey does, where it's just my hands, so that way I don't get as distracted because I tend to get distracted this way more. Okay, the next one is they are in a tropical setting, and of course I want Donald. Come on, Sophie, look. I really want Donald. Mickey would be okay, Pluto would be okay, Daisy would be okay. The only one I don't want is Minnie. Let's just say that. The only one I don't want is Minnie. And these are really cool. These are Loungefly pins. I do collect pins, but I don't have a rhyme or reason. I just collect them. If I like them, I collect it. There's no rhyme or reason to them. But let's go ahead and see what we get. Which way is it facing? Okay, let's face it for you. What did we get? Mickey! Yay! It wasn't Minnie! This is so tropical. This reminds me of Alani. I have not gone, but it reminds me of what an Alani pin would look like, or like the Polynesian resort. But this is so pretty. Look at the shininess of it. Yay! All right, let's put that there so I don't lose it. Okay, next box. We have more tropical ones. So we don't want Mickey or Minnie. That's Sophie look. I wonder if it works with other stuff, not just pins. Okay, let's open it up. Facing you. What is it? Uh-oh. No, we got repeats. See, I think next time we need to ship Sophie in here or include a picture of Sophie. No, I mean, this is still really, really cute. And I think my husband will probably like this one. Ah, my luck. I do have a cat. Her name is Cleo, but she is, I don't know, uncertain yet if she's going to bring me luck or not. Oh, these ones are so cute. I feel like Tori from Tori in Wonderland would like these. I want any of them, honestly. But I really want the Schwetz and Eeyore and maybe Tigger. So that would be the best ones. These would be like my two least favorites. But we shall see. I like the variety. Thank you, Joey. This is so fun. I really don't get mystery pins for myself because of my luck. All right, let's see. What did you get? Yes! So cute. Look at him. This is huge. I didn't think it would be this big based on the box. This is so big. Oh, he's so cute. Look at that. Yay. We have two more. And I probably should have done these in order because we have another Princess Castle and we have another Winnie the Pooh. So it was two of each. That totally makes sense. I should have looked instead of just blindly grabbing them. Oh well, let's go with the Winnie the Pooh so at least we have these two in sequence. So anything but Tigger, really. What do we think? We're going to guess. Do you do mystery pins? I am curious. And what is your luck if you... Yes! If you do. Okay, this was super lucky. I got the Schwitz. So cute. Let me see if I can get him. There you go. So cute. He's perfect for 4th of July for some reason. I think it's the colors. So cute. I love Schwitz. They're some of my favorite like sidekick characters in the Disney fandom thing, but just Schwitz in general I really like. So cute. All right, and the last one is the castle. So we don't want Tiana, anything but Tiana, but I would really like this one because it reminds me of Shanghai Disney. Or is it Hong Kong Disney that it reminds me of? Maybe it's Hong Kong Disney. Okay, let's see. All right, Sophie look, Sophie look. Let's see. No, I don't know why I'm scared. Yes! So cute. Yay. I don't know. I think it's Beauty and the Beast, yeah? Or who is this? No, maybe not. Tell me in the comments who it is. It just reminds me, is it Ariel? It just reminds me of the castle, like the Shanghai castle. So I really like it because of that. Hong Kong Castle. Now I'm getting confused. Hong Kong Castle. No. Yes. But what is it actually? Because this color makes me think of mermaids. Yay! Not a duplicate. Okay, let's put them all together. I was just thinking if Sophie was my producer, there would be so many comments on the bottom being like, it's this, duh. Or keep it down, stop yelling. But she's not my producer, but I just wanted to show you, I got the two Mickeys surfing it up. Super, super cute. I might even give one to my brother. He actually surfs. I went once and completely ate it and haven't gone back since. Winnie the Pooh, I think, was my favorite and my luckiest because I got the two that I wanted, and Tigger is just adorable. And then the last one was the castles, which again, I was really happy with. Look how beautiful. Now I kind of want to keep buying them. What have you done to me, Joey? But yeah, now I want to buy them so I can complete this one. one because I think it would look so beautiful. This is another reason I don't do mystery pins. I appreciate it so much, Joey and Sophie. Please check out their channel. It is so funny. There's so much content on there, and again, you can learn how to cook or just chill and watch them open mystery boxes with the best luck that you've ever seen. I am not even lying. Like I said, I thought it would be a good video to show you some pins that I got that I haven't shown you because I have not done a haul like this in a really long time, but I didn't realize I would take this long, so I apologize. I'm gonna go as fast as I can. I did put them all in here so that I would remember, so yeah, so let's go as fast as I can. And a lot of these are traders, so I will let you know if I found them at Disneyland or if I got them at like secondhand kind of store. So the first one is Olumel, and I actually got them at Disneyland on a pin board, and it says on the back for Disney parks and then Olumel. Yay! I've been obsessed with these little guys ever since I came back. I also got Shelly Mae. She was also part of a pin board at Disneyland, and this will complete one of the sets that I have all found at Disneyland, actually. Very, very cute. I'm not sure if she's real. She feels a little bit off, but I still really like her. This is another one that we traded for, and I actually already had this one, but so this one comes if you do a Costco hotel and ticket package, or even Disneyland hotel and ticket package, you get a free pin and a lanyard, and this is one of them. If you get it through Costco, this is the one you get. So this is the one I got with Kitty, but my husband also traded for one, so now we have two. This is the other one that you can get if you book directly through Disneyland. So if you do double bookings, you can get both. But of course, people don't like them, so they trade them out for whatever they do like, and I like them, and I wanted both, so it worked out for me. Another one that I traded at Disneyland was this little boat. It is a wishable boat. Look at the little tiny face. So cute. No, I don't have a collection of these, but I just thought it was too cute to pass up, especially on a pin board. Okay, the next one we got in a mystery pack, and I believe it's going to be on a vlog that I still have not edited. I am really behind, but it is on a vlog that I haven't edited, but we got it on a mystery box, and we got Lady falling asleep, and the mystery boxes are just animals falling asleep. And before you're like, I thought you didn't get mystery boxes, I don't. This was my husband's mystery box, but it did have cats, so anything with cats I get to keep because I am obsessed with cats and owls apparently. I found two more from that mystery box that we kept. One of them was Tramp, and I actually think we traded for Tramp, so I don't think we originally got Tramp, if I remember correctly, but we traded for him so he could have Lady and the Tramp together. And I traded for Figaro. Look how cute his little feet are. I don't know why I'm singing to you. I am so sorry. I'm just so excited about Joey's box, and I was like, I'm just writing it, but yeah. So cute. Speaking of Figaro, this is another Figaro one that I got. So this one actually comes in like a purple packet. You've probably seen it by the registers, and they're like $12, and they're like really mysterious because it doesn't say much about them, but you can get cats and dogs. And I traded for this one, so I didn't originally have it, but I traded for it on a pin board. So cute. Can you tell he's one of my favorites? And then along with cats, because that's the theme, I have these Marie ears, and I do collect the Marie ears, and again, they don't come from a box. I just find them at different pin boards, and all of this has been Disneyland so far, by the way. These three are also three that I traded at Disneyland. We have this little, I don't know, is this Squishmallows? No, not Squishmallows. Squishums? Smellums? The Disney version of them? Munchlins. Is that what it is? It's just so cute. It's little Donald, but look at the face. I would take this on a shirt. Definitely would do that. I also traded for this watch face. I think, I don't know if they came in a box or what. I've seen a couple others, but this is the only one I've actually seen on a pin board, so I had to snatch it up. I just thought it was so cute for whatever reason. And Daddy. And embarrassingly enough, this was on a pin board, and the cast member was like, which pin do you want? And I was like, Daddy! And he's like, or they're like, I should say they're like, so they look at the pin board to try to figure out which one's Daddy, because I didn't say who Daddy was. I just said Daddy. And I was like, oh my gosh, I am so sorry, because that's what I call him with my husband, but I don't want to like the public. So then I was like, I meant him. And the cast member was so sweet. They're like, okay, yeah, I can see it. Okay, we're almost done. These ones, I forgot that this one was actually from a trader as well. So this is from the Disneyland. I traded for it. This one, I know exactly where it comes from. It is a mystery box that's like orange and it's like an octagon, I want to say. But I just thought he was cute. I don't know if I'll keep him. I'm going to see if my friend Kitty has him. And if she does, then I probably will end up trading him again. I like him. I just don't have a Nightmare Before Christmas and I don't know that I want to start. And then my husband did buy another mystery bag. And this was the Avengers one. He bought one in Hong Kong and he wanted to continue his collection. So he finally got Star-Lord. We ended up trading for him actually with some of the people who bring binders to Disneyland. And then this one came in the package and it was Spider-Man, and the rest of the package was not good. So we ended up trading a lot of his. I will say the other Disney lovers with binders are there again. They're in Frontierland at Disneyland. So just be brave. It's kind of tense. I'm really shy, believe it or not. Right now in my house, I am not. But I'm really shy, especially with trading, because I feel like my pins are not good enough. So every time I start, I'm like, do you want to look first and see if you even want anything? That's how I start, because I don't know, I'm ashamed of my pins. I'm sorry, I am. Okay, the next ones are all thrifted pins from the store called Bookmans. I made videos of it before, but I got Animal with a party, well, not a party hat, a Disney hat. This is another collection that I'm slowly getting, and I love Animal, and this one looks just, I don't know if it's real, but I don't really care because the color is so vibrant, and look at him, he's so cute. I also got this Mickey one, which I don't know if I'll keep or not. I just really liked it. It reminded me of a stamp. It actually reminds me of the card Joey just sent to me, but really, really cute, and I think his eyes look like Pac-Man. Now I can't unsee it. I might not keep it. I ruined that for myself. Y'all ever do that? I just ruined that for myself. Okay, another one that I got is Mama Elena? I think it's Elena. But she has her little petal, and she is gonna grant his wish. So cute. This one I was really excited when I saw it on Thrifted. It is I think it's the Disney Theater. I don't know. To me, it reminds me of the Hollywood Studios Theater. But it's Pirates of the Caribbean. And this was huge when I was in high school. Yeah, I want to say high school. I really liked Johnny Depp back then. He was like my celebrity crush. Yeah, but this is an older one. I think it's real. I just think it's older. But yeah, very, very nice. 2006 or 8? 2008. How does that make you feel? I don't know how to feel about it. It feels weird, but I don't know. I still love it. Yeah. And then this one is also thrifted. It's just this Disneyland resort, and that's it. I think my husband liked this one. I have a lot of these, but I do like these for if I ever go with a friend the first time to Disneyland. You know, it's like one of those staple ones. I have 4 left. I totally lied. And a quarter. But these ones came in a set, so I'll just show them to you together. I bought them at Shein. From Shein. They have Harry Potter pins. I don't know. Don't ask me. But I'll show you why I got it. So it comes with an H. Whatever. It's just Hogwarts H. Nothing too crazy. It comes with... Ow! It comes with a cloak. Ow! It could be whatever cloak. I don't know. Whatever. But the reason I got it is because of this thing that just pricked me. Okay, I closed it. So this is the reason I got it. It's because it comes with this, and this is the part that just actually got me. But it goes here. So imagine a polo, like a uniform polo, and then you put this on the little like buttons, and it would be so cute. And it's just oh look, it's out again. Well, what can we expect? It was like $2 for all 3 of them, but it's a wand. So I just thought it was really cute. I don't know how much it'll last. I don't have the best experience with Shein items, just quality wise, but it was $2, so I said let's just add it to the cart. And then the last one that I forgot to show you is this aeronautical one. Fun fact about me, I used to want to be a pilot. I still kind of want to be a pilot. I don't know what this comes from. It looks a little bit older just based on the backing of it. So I couldn't really tell you much about it, just that I liked it, and I thought it would be cute as a decoration as well, like a little lapel. Is that the right word to say? But yeah, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this really quick haul. Again, I am so grateful, Joey. You did not have to send anything to me, but I am so grateful that you did, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, go check out his channel. I can't say enough good things about it. I hope you like the haul of randomness. I have more down there. I need to do a video where I just reorganize my pins because they don't fit here anymore, so I need to figure that out. So be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Disneyland. And don't forget to check out Joey's channel, Tastes Like Disney. And have a magical day. And until next time, adios!